In this video, we'll go over how to create a new project in TeamWave. TeamWave is a fantastic collaboration tool that has tons of useful features like tasks, milestones, time logs, discussions, notes, files, reports, and more. It's the perfect way to keep everyone on the same page when working with team members, clients, and partners. So to get started with creating a new project, there are multiple options available to you. The easiest way is to go to the project's dashboard and click on the New Project button. From there, select Blank Template and fill in the project details in the pop-up that appears. TeamWave's project management app offers you two different views, Board View and List View, to help you manage your project. Board View presents your project's tasks as cards arranged in columns based on their status, making it easy to visualize progress at a glance. List View, on the other hand, presents your projects in a list, which is helpful for projects with a larger number of tasks that require more detailed information. Choosing the right view depends on your personal preference and the nature of your project. If your project involves multiple stages, Board View is probably better, while List View is better for projects with many detailed tasks or that require prioritization. Next, in the My Team tab, add the team members who will be working on the project. In the Company tab, add the details of your client or vendors for collaboration. In the Advanced tab, you can specify more project details like the start and end date, and optionally you can also add in the estimated budget, priority level, and time commitment. This will help you stay on track and manage your project more efficiently. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on the Start button to create the new project. And that's it. You're all set to start collaborating with your team members, clients, and partners on this new project in TeamWave.